If he was big, Hurley would be history.
He wants to play with Cricket.
Problems? I think he's a little too rough for Cricket, though. Cricket gets mad at him because he bites.
Yeah,
Water up my nose.
I think this should hold Hurley. I mean, he might fall off.
I don't think it would hold him.
Go under.
You can mean he wouldn't just lay down, Chris.
I know. I'm saying he wouldn't go under.
Fly right off.
Like,
Plus he'd panic. Hey Hurley, you should get in the pool.
Hey, it came off on its own.
Somebody like Cricket.
She just sits there waiting for him. That's why she's getting so mad at him, by the way, if you're wondering.
Here comes Hurley to the rescue.
Hurley to the rescue. That's my girl, hey? Jeez, she's kind of vicious.
Reminds me of Fizzy.
He's a tough little guy.
Yeah.
Facing up to a lab like that, you know. So Hurley leaves. Where are you going, Gizmo?
Still have the toy or not?
Who?
Gizmo.
Gizmo? Gizmo, come here. I think he put it over there. Hey Hurley, is there a boot over there? Go look. Not there.
I think he took it out behind the shed.
Are they annoying, Cricket?
Look how big that evergreen is now.